भारतीय क्रिकेट टीम के दिग्गज खिलाड़ी और सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद के तेज गेंदबाज मोहम्मद शमी को बड़ा झटका लगा है। कोलकाता हाई कोर्ट ने शमी को उनकी एक्स वाइफ हसीन जहां और बेटी को हर महीने 4 लाख रुपए गुजारा भत्ता देने का आदेश दिया है। इस दौरान हसीन जहां के वकील ने क्या कुछ कहा, सुनिए।
The matter was not fixed for hearing. Earlier, there were several occasions when the matter was heard by the Honorable Justice Ajay Kumar Mukherjee, and after hearing several times, all the parties, this matter was reserved for judgment, which is normally we say CAV. Yesterday was the date fixed for delivery of the judgment. So once the matter was fixed as item number 2 under the heading delivery of judgment, it was a very happy moment for the learned advocates who were assisting me, and also the best moment for Hasiin Jahan, because I felt that since 2018 till 2024, she has been running from post to pillar. It started from the trial court. Initially, she was deprived of any interim order from the magistrate. An appeal was preferred before the assistant district judge, slightly modified, 80,000 to the daughter Ira and 50,000 to her. That order itself was under challenge before this Honorable High Court, and ultimately yesterday it was pronounced in the open court that 1.5 lakhs for Hasiin Jahan, 2.5 lakhs for the daughter, and there was also addition that throughout, apart from all this, any time the daughter requires any assistance, so that has to be also provided by Mohammed Shami. And apart from, the best part in the judgment was that the Honorable High Court has directed the trial court to dispose of the main application of interim maintenance, that within 6 months. So once you are getting 4 lakhs here, so there will be a high chance when you go back to the trial court and conclude the hearing of the maintenance, it might be again upgraded to 6 lakhs, because the claim of Hasiin Jahan in her maintenance application was 7 lakhs and 3 lakhs. So the gate is open now. So today we are rejoicing. Maybe she is happy, but it might go little upper within 6 months in the trial court.
वहीं मोहम्मद शमी के चचेरे भाई ने हसीन जहां के पक्ष में कोर्ट के आदेश पर क्या कहा, सुनिए।
शमी अहमद तो पहले भी जो है भत्ता देते थे, अब थोड़ा बढ़ा दिया है। बेटी का खर्चा तो वो पहले से ही उठाते हैं, इससे पहले भी उठाते थे, कोर्ट ने बढ़ा दिया। बेटी है उनकी, उनको उठाते हैं, वो पहले से उठाते हैं और जाते भी हैं मिलने से उनसे वो। हाँ, पत्नी को भी देते थे पहले ही, अब थोड़ा कोर्ट ने बढ़ा दिया। अब कोर्ट के मसले में हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं।